Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel RGB. I'm Ray Vargas. So today guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how to use Creader diagnostic trouble code. So this is a Creader launch, a brand launch Creader 3001. So here we go guys. So on how to check, how to use this diagnostic. So first, all you have to do is you have to remove this cover from fuse box, and then you're gonna see the OBD port. Just just put it on the OBD port. Yes, like this, just like this. Then so this is the screen showing. So then you're gonna turn on the ignition switch. Just turn it on. Okay. Begin the procedure. Start. You'll see this. The option is diagnose, DTC, lockup, tool setup, help. Just choose the OK, diagnose. Okay. Just wait for processing. So guys, this device, this is a good for a beginner, an auto mechanic beginner guys. This is a very good. This Creader 3001, a very compatible for a beginner. So just for wait for a little bit. Oh, this is showing. If you see this, monitor status, everything okay. Now we will check the code. Just scroll down, scroll. Okay, read codes, press OK. Processing, just wait. Okay, the vehicle has no fault codes, so very nice. I know this vehicle, this is mine. That is no fault. So that's it. It's a very simple on how to use this diagnostic, a Creader 3001. This is a very good for a beginner, a mechanic. Okay guys, for today, just that's it. That's I'm gonna show you. Thank you guys.